Today we are going to start with English chapter 2 from your supplementary reader book, A Pact with the Sun. And the name of the first chapter is The Friendly Mongoose. A farmer, his wife, and their small child lived in a village. There was also a baby mongoose in the house who they believed would be their son's companion and friend in the future. Once a farmer and his wife lived in a village with their small son. So here there was a farmer, his wife, and their small son. They loved him very much. So like how your parents love you very much, even the farmer and his wife loved their child very much. One day the farmer said to his wife, "We must have a pet." So one day this farmer goes and tells his wife that we should keep a pet. Pet can be anything which you keep in your house. When our son grows up, he will need a companion. So he thinks that living alone in the village, how his son will survive. So if he has a pet, then that pet can be a companion. This pet will be our son's companion. So they think that if they keep a pet, then this pet can be their son's companion. Companion means a friend, a person who can stay with us and give us company. One evening, the farmer brought with him a tiny mongoose. Mongoose is a animal. With the baby and the mongoose, both the baby and the mongoose grew. Okay, so one day this farmer comes home. He as he discussed with his wife, then suddenly he comes home with a small mongoose. Then they keep the mongoose as a pet in their house, and then both the baby and the mongoose grow gradually. In 5 or 6 months, the mongoose has grown to its full size. Okay, so as naturally humans grow a bit slower than animals. Like animals, they grow very fast, and then this mongoose also grew very fast in 5 to 6 months, like to its full size. Full size here means that up to how much ever it was going to grow big, that much big he became. It was a lovely animal with 2 shiny black eyes and a bushy tail. Okay, so here this mongoose is described as it has 2 shiny eyes and a bushy tail. As you can see in this picture, the baby is very small and the mongoose is grown up, and their home scene is shown where the parents are doing their work and the mongoose is kept as, like how we have a dog and the dog keeps roaming around in the house. Similarly, this mongoose was also roaming around in the house. Now one day the farmer's wife wanted to go to the market. She wanted to go to the market to buy something, like how your mother goes to the market to bring stuff for you all, for the family, etc. Similarly, even she went. She rocked the baby to sleep in his little cradle. Rock the baby means you push it to and fro, right? So in that auxiliary motion, the baby goes to sleep. I think all have seen how a cradle moves, right? She asked the farmer to keep an eye on the baby. So she's going out, so naturally she will tell someone to take care of the baby. So she told the farmer that she's going out and now you take care of the baby. After some time, the farmer also went away. Now suddenly the farmer also had some work and his wife had not returned back. So the baby was sleeping, so the farmer also went away. The farmer's wife finished her shopping and came back home with a basket full of groceries. So the farmer had gone, the baby was alone at home with the mongoose. So she came back and she had finished her shopping. She brought a basket full of groceries, means whatever vegetables, fruits she needed, she brought that. She saw the mongoose sitting outside as if waiting for her. Okay, so as she came, she saw that the mongoose was sitting outside as if the mongoose is waiting for her. On seeing her, as soon as the mongoose saw, the mongoose ran to her, welcome her. Means when we see our mother, we run to her like, oh, mother has come. Those who have pets at home, they will also know how these pets react when they see any of us who has gone out and then come back. The farmer's wife took one look at the mongoose and screamed. Okay, so as soon as she saw the mongoose, she screamed. Means she started shouting, blood, she cried. Then she started crying, blood. The face and paws of the mongoose were smeared with blood. And she saw that there was all blood over the mongoose's face and paws. Paws is his legs. She thought that the mongoose had killed her son. Now naturally, if the first thought that came in her mind was that the son was alone at home with the mongoose, so probably this mongoose had killed her son. She picked up the basket and killed the mongoose. So she got, without giving a second thought, she just started hitting the mongoose. Then she ran inside to the child's cradle. Then after killing the mongoose, she went quickly towards to see the child. The baby was fast asleep, and then she saw that the baby was fast asleep, as you all can see in the picture. But on the floor lay a black snake, torn and bleeding. And then as you all can see that the black snake was torn and it was bleeding. Then she realized what had happened. She ran out looking for the mongoose. Then quickly she ran out looking for the mongoose. She realized that, oh no, what I did, I accidentally killed the mongoose who tried to save my child from the snake without even letting the mongoose to explain himself. Then she goes to the mongoose and says, oh, you saved my child, you killed the snake, what have I done? And then she had all the regrets that why she killed the mongoose. She cried, touching the mongoose had died. She repented her hasty action. Then she realizes, repented means she realized her hasty means a very quick action that she did, instead of giving a second thought to it or checking what the situation was. So then she regretted. So whatever we do, we should first think and then act. One should not just quickly act over whatever is seen. One must first stop, think and act. I hope you all understood this chapter. Okay, thank you.